in this video I'm not going to build anything. I'm just going to try prepare these planks. It's the oak what was laying in the water for long time, so it's dry now. I've got this, I bought this about 3 years ago now, and I got it when it was fairly dry, and I checked with the moisture meter, and now that it's all the boards, they've got around 7 to 9 % of moisture, so they are dry and they could be ready to use. Because of the wood was laying in the water, so it's kind of like rotten, and I am planning, because I've got 3 boards, so this one it's fairly rotten on this side, this one it's fairly okay-ish. I will just cut the edges, and that section should be quite nice material to work with. And I've got 3rd board, what is here. Of course, it's this section here is fairly okay. I've got big crack on the middle, and obviously all that is twisted, and as you can see it's rotten. But I'm going to cut this for the like smaller sections. So first I'm going to use the track saw to basically cut this off, and the meter saw to chop some of the sections, because like the garage is too small, because like this section is really big twist and the knot, so I'm not going to use that bit at all. So I'm going to chop it here, and maybe then chop this off. Maybe I will be able to use some of this, but yeah. So that is today's video, just to try chop it, some stuff, cut it off, and on the end of it we will see how much material actually I've got to use on the future projects. So now I done the cuts on the meter saw. As you can see, that is nice and dark wood, so that should be very nice decorative wood. I've got the pile here, but basically I've got one straight-ish edge, and so now I'm going to use the table saw with the rib blade on it. Is only 24 blades, teeth on it, 24, yeah, 24, and roughly I'm going to measure it, what thickness I can get for like between the cracks, and I'm going to rip them for the smaller stripes. I've done the cutting for now, and I've got some of the material, saved it, like the shorter pieces. I've got, alright, there's still imperfection here, but that after we go through the planer thickness here, that will be good to use with some, let's say, compare with the another wood like that, where we're going to do the boxes or stuff like that. So probably some of the people will ask why I bother to actually that rotten wood to try do something with it. Well, because I don't think so that it's so popular wood what you can get anywhere, and I've got the occasion what I got that wood really cheap. I thought I can just try to make some like pieces of it what in future I will be able to use it for some project. So as a hobby I can't throw away the wood, and if something like that was warped, loads of cracks and stuff like that, it still can be used in some of the projects. So if you're interested when I'm going to use some of that wood, just please subscribe and keep watching, and in future definitely I'm going to use some of them to use them on the project. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.